Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
Kitchen surplus and leftover. Too little, yet too much. Question is what to do with them. So I decided to reveal my recipe of the pulao, whose taste and flavors change with every passing minute. But before that, Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Wash away our assumptions, presumptions, and bestow us with clear vision of true knowledge and deep wisdom. And now for the recipe. Aag Dilao. You can use a cooker or a pot. Also, freshly extracted rice bran or sesame oil, which is the best. Freshly roasted cumin. Let it sputter and add the onions and add the tomatoes, add the green chilies, stir and allow to cook till they begin to soften. Now add the potatoes, and again they were pre-soaked, remember, and starch removed. Now stir and add the rice, which was also pre-soaked for 5 hours. Later rinsed and washed well and starch removed. Now add some spices, coriander powder, jeera powder and red chili powder, turmeric powder, pink Himalayan rock, sea or any natural salt. Stir well to mix well. There, and now water from any natural source, add and stir well. Stir well to mix well. Now when done, cover and cook for 5 minutes till at least 50% of the rice is done. Well, there we are. Looks beautiful. Now stir a little to prevent it from burning, and now add the dal Punjabi and chana amritsari, our kitchen surplus and leftover. Now stir well to mix well. Done. Look at that, looking beautiful already. Now cover and cook on reduced flame for another 5 minutes. Remove cover, add green chili whole and curd or yogurt. But before we add, a word of caution. You can stop the video, go through these slides as to why curd and yogurt is never added, and if you are adding, then how to cook them. Now add the curd or yogurt and mix well, and when done, look, it's beautiful. Cook for half a minute only. Switch off the heat or the flames, and there, our pulao is done. Now plate the pulao. There, looking good, isn't it? And remember, this pulao changes taste. Now serve the pulao as such, or with curd, raita, masala, curry, gravy or salan of your choice during lunch. And balance, serve and enjoy the changed taste and flavors of the pulao during dinner too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.